Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
That guy name is Deepak Singh. I am doing the job as a deputy manager in HR department. I have 15 plus year experience in my area, in my department, and I like transparent work. And I like my hobby is listening old song. That's it.
Okay, you like to listen to old songs.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is your favorite singer among the old ones?
Sonu Nigam, Mukesh. These are my favorite singer.
Okay, these are your favorite
Yes, sir.
singers.
Of course.
As you are the deputy manager in HR.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Okay, what are your responsibilities over there as a deputy manager?
My responsibility is actually in HR. I am different areas. My area is training and development. My area is first I absorb the person, a person which types of quality he has or he need in for a specific position. I analyze the gap analysis. I need a person, he has good knowledge in English, he has good knowledge in his area, but he has little bit knowledge, then I will improve his knowledge by the trainings. It's my duty.
Okay, so you look the people means select means people. So for an example, people are selected for the company first.
Yes.
After that, they are given to you and you train them for the company.
Actually, sir, it's a technical words. We have a competency mapping. You are competent or not for my industry. If you are 80% competent, then we will hire you. And 20% we give the quality for the trainings.
Okay, so as we have got the many youngsters with us and they are preparing for the corporate world.
Yes,
would
sir.
would you like to give them tips? How should they prepare? And what are the things they should prepare for the interviews?
Actually, recently I cracked the big interview for corporate office as a senior manager. So I realized very difficult job in corporate compared to industry compared to little offices. A number of the person think in his mind, if I will join the corporate, it is very easy job and enjoyable job. No, really, it's a very tough job because lot of leg pulling in the corporate office. Every time every man focus you what are you doing, even you waste single of minutes they gave the reporting of your boss. So first you make the DWM, daily work management. What is your object, your job? First you complete every day your daily work management. Otherwise when you finish your 1 week, then your boss asked you what you complete in one week. If you are not explain, then really he tick a mark. You are wrong, you are not capable in your work. He focus continue 3 months. After that he say you are not capable, just a probation period. And then they gave a letter. You can not do the job in my industry. So you focus your DWM for the first day.
Okay, means how should they prepare to be in that corporate world? Means what
If you work in any field, you grab you deep knowledge in your field. Otherwise you can't survive in the corporate, because if you sit in corporate you handle the 10 or 20, maybe 20 and above industry, number of the industry, number of the plants, you gave the instructions. If you have not good knowledge, then you can't survive in the corporate in any fields, maybe accounts, maybe finance, maybe IT, maybe another departments. You have deep into deep knowledge.
as a responsible person in the company, how much time do you have to devote daily?
Actually, if you are a devoted person, you devoted in your work only 8.5 hour. It's a sufficient work. Otherwise, if you spend 10 or 12 hour, it's a completely useless spend, and he spend only time. He totally waste the time.
How do you manage personal and professional life?
When you out your office completely, you forget everything about your office, because your personal life is start, and your responsibility for your wife, your family also. So you give the time with family. You never discuss your office problem with your family, because she or he don't know what is your work and what you face the problem. If you discuss with him or her, he also feel irritated, because my wife don't know what is the KRA, KPI, what is the appraisal, what is this. If I discuss with her, what is the benefits? Nothing.
Okay, thank you very much for giving your views, sir. So
Thank you.
together, very well done.